Hello children, welcome to the study of Standard 10 Science and Technology Part 1, Chapter 3 Chemical Reactions and Equations. Students, in the last video you had studied oxidation reaction and reduction reaction. Today let us try to understand one more type of reaction which is a combination of these two, that is redox reaction. So redox reaction, redox means reduction and oxidation. Redox is the short form of reduction and oxidation. Reduction and oxidation. So let us first define a redox reaction. The reaction in which oxidation and reduction take place simultaneously is called a redox reaction. So, the reaction in which oxidation and reduction take place simultaneously is called a redox reaction. Now, what is the meaning of this? So, in order to understand redox reaction, let us take one example. So, example 1. Consider the reaction CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2O. So you can see a reaction between copper oxide and hydrogen. CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2O. In this reaction I had also taken while explaining reduction. So here, if you observe CuO on the reactant side, you have CuO and H2, two reactants, CuO and H2. Now observe them. What has happened to them? CuO is the oxidant. जिसके पास ऑक्सीजन रहता है उसे कहते हैं ऑक्सीडेंट. तो CuO is oxidant. What happens to this oxidant? See on the product side what has happened to it. CuO में से O निकल गया और Cu रह गया. So oxidant जो है, it lost its oxygen or it gave its oxygen to others and itself got reduced. उसमें से oxygen lose हो गया. The loss of oxygen is reduction. Last time you had studied. Loss of oxygen is reduction. तो CuO में से CuO oxidant है, अभी है reactant side में. When it is present on the reactant side, it has oxygen with it. But after the reaction, when the products are formed, CuO loses its oxygen to form Cu. तो CuO से क्या बन गया? Cu बन गया. So CuO lost its oxygen and got reduced to Cu. Now look at H2. On the reactant side, we have one more reactant, H2. What has happened to H2? H2 gained that oxygen, accepted that oxygen from CuO and became H2O. H2 gains oxygen from CuO and became H2O. So H2, क्योंकि H2 ने ऑक्सीजन गेन किया, H2 का ऑक्सीडेशन हो गया. गेन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज ऑक्सीडेशन. सो H2 got oxidized to H2O. Now what is H2? H2 is a reductant. H2 is reductant. Reductant वो रहता है जिसके पास हाइड्रोजन होता है. So H2 is reductant. Reductant got oxidized and oxidant got reduced. So therefore in this reaction what happened? oxidant got reduced and reductant got oxidized and reductant got oxidized. So हो रहा है तो H2 का ऑक्सीडेशन हो रहा है क्योंकि CuO ने ऑक्सीजन लूज किया तो उसका रिडक्शन हो गया और H2 ने ऑक्सीजन गेन किया तो उसका ऑक्सीडेशन हो गया. सो इन दिस रिएक्शन ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन आर टेकिंग प्लेस साइमल्टेनियसली. दोनों एक साथ हो रहे हैं. एक का ऑक्सीडेशन हो रहा तो एक का रिडक्शन हो रहा. दैट इज व्हाई दिस रिएक्शन इज कॉल्ड redox reaction. So CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2O. तो CuO से Cu हो गया. This is reduction क्योंकि it is losing oxygen and becoming Cu. So oxidant undergoes reduction to form Cu and reductant undergoes oxidation to form H2O. H2 is reductant. It accepts that oxygen from CuO and becomes H2O. तो H2 का ऑक्सीडेशन हो गया और CuO का रिडक्शन हो गया. तो इसी रिएक्शन में, एक ही रिएक्शन में रिडक्शन और ऑक्सीडेशन दोनों एक साथ हो रहे हैं. दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज कॉल्ड अ redox reaction. Now let us take another example. NiO plus H2 gives Ni plus H2O. So again, on the reactant side, you have NiO and H2. What is NiO? NiO is having oxygen with it. So NiO is oxidant. And H2 is having hydrogen with it. So H2 is reductant. Now, what has happened to NiO? On the product side, you can see only Ni. So this means NiO lost its oxygen to form Ni. So NiO plus H2 is giving Ni plus H2O. So NiO lost its oxygen, lost O to form Ni. तो क्या हुआ यहाँ पर? Here, since it is losing oxygen, therefore reduction has taken place. So NiO का reduction हो गया to Ni. NiO got reduced to form Ni. Now observe H2. H2 is what? H2 is reductant. H2 took that oxygen from NiO and became H2O. So again I am writing NiO plus H2 gives Ni plus H2O. So H2 becomes H2O. तो H2 ने वो ऑक्सीजन ले लिया, एक्सेप्ट कर लिया फ्रॉम NiO, गेन किया फ्रॉम NiO एंड बिकेम H2O. तो सिंस H2 एक्सेप्टेड ऑक्सीजन, गेन ऑक्सीजन, देयरफॉर उसका क्या हो गया? ऑक्सीडेशन. सो oxidation of H2 because it gained O. So here in one reaction only, both oxidation as well as reduction are taking place. Therefore this is a redox, reduction and oxidation reaction. So you can show it like this: NiO to Ni and H2 से H2. NiO to Ni is reduction because it is losing oxygen, lost O. And H2 से H2O is oxidation because it is gaining oxygen, gain O. So in this reaction, oxidation and reduction both are taking place simultaneously. Hence this is again a redox reaction. So oxidant undergoes reduction and reductant undergoes oxidation. Oxidant NiO है, उसका reduction हो गया. Reductant H2 है, उसका oxidation हो गया. So oxidant undergoes reduction and reductant undergoes oxidation. So oxidation and reduction taking place simultaneously. So this is again a redox reaction. Now one more example let us consider. BaSO4 plus 4C gives BaS plus 4CO. So children, can you identify what is getting oxidized here? Which reactant is getting oxidized and which reactant is getting reduced? So here this is again a redox reaction. Out of the two reactants, one reactant is BaSO4. What is BaSO4? Since it has got oxygen with it, it is oxidant. So BaSO4 lost its oxygen to form BaS. So BaSO4 plus 4C gives BaS plus 4CO. So BaSO4 became BaS and 4C became 4CO. So एरो यहाँ से BaSO4 से BaS तक जाएगा एक एरो और दूसरा एरो 4C से 4CO तक जाएगा. Now BaSO4 to Bs. Since BaSO4 is losing oxygen, see here on the product side there is no oxygen. It has lost its oxygen. So loss of oxygen means reduction. तो इसका क्या हो गया? Reduction. Loss O. That is why it got reduced or it underwent reduction. And C से arrow गया CO पर. What happened here? C is accepting that oxygen. C वो oxygen accept कर रहा है. कहाँ से मिला उसे वो oxygen? From BaSO4. BaSO4 is oxidant क्योंकि उसके पास oxygen है और वो दूसरों को दे सकता है. Those who require the oxygen. So carbon takes that oxygen from BaSO4 to form carbon monoxide. So क्योंकि कार्बन ने ऑक्सीजन गेन किया, एक्सेप्ट किया, कार्बन में ऑक्सीजन ऐड हो गया, सो दैट इज वाई इसका ऑक्सीडेशन हो गया. ऑक्सीडेशन, एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज ऑक्सीडेशन. सो ऑक्सीडेशन, गेन O. So C underwent oxidation and BaSO4 underwent reduction. So this reaction is again redox reaction because both reduction and oxidation are taking place simultaneously. दोनों एक साथ हो रहे हैं. एक का oxidation हो रहा है तो एक का reduction हो रहा है. दोनों एक साथ हो रहे हैं. तो in this reaction both are taking place simultaneously. Therefore this is again a redox reaction. So redox reaction is a reaction in which oxidation and reduction take place simultaneously. Oxidant gets reduced and reductant gets oxidized. So it is a redox reaction.